Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So continue on correlation analysis. In the last lecture, we have studied about Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Now the next topic is rank correlation. So this is the other method for finding out the correlation, which is rank correlation, and it was given by experiments. So it's also known as Experiments coefficient of correlation. Experiment, he was a British psychologist, Spearman. So also known as Spearman coefficient of correlation. So in the Carl-Pearson's coefficient of correlation, that was based on the certain assumptions and which are not suitable for the ranked attributes. So if the assumptions are not met and attributes are not measured in terms of the magnitude, we use the rank correlation of rank coefficient of correlation. And this correlation is computational wise, it's very easy to calculate, but it is not suitable for the grouped data. So formula for evaluating the rank correlation is, it is denoted by R, and it's equals to 1 minus 6 summation of D square divided by N square minus 1. This is the formula for evaluating the Spearman's correlation coefficient. And D square is equals to the square of the differences in rank between paired values. Right. As it is a correlation, so it lies between +1 to -1. Value always lies between +1 to -1, which means if we get R is equals to +1, so we can say that rank of both series coincides, perfectly coincides, same only in that case. Or we said it is perfect positive correlation. And you know that if rank is +1, it means a perfect positive correlation between the data. And if it's -1, then it shows that perfect negative correlation. So if rank is equals to -1, it means perfect negative correlation. And in that case, we say that series are exactly opposite to each other. Exactly opposite to each other. And if rank is 0, what does it mean? If rank is 0, it means it is the lack of association between the rank of two sets. It means lack of any association between the rank of two sets. So let's see the problem based on Spearman's coefficient of correlation. see, this is a problem. And question here is, a pickle manufacturer uses different varieties of mangoes for his mango pickle. And two judges ranked his pickle, which are as follows. So this is a pickle code A, B, C, A to H. And these are the ranks which are given by two judges for the mango pickle. And this is the rank given by judge 1 and this is the rank given by judge 2. So the pickle manufacturer interested in knowing if there is any correlation between the judgment of two judges or no. So in this problem, you see that the rank is given here. So we have to go for the rank coefficient of correlation. And we will check out whether there is any correlation between the judgments given by the judges. Right. So you know that for evaluating the rank correlation, R is equals to 1 minus 6 summation of D square divided by n square minus 1. So we say that this is rank 1 and this is rank 2. And this D denotes the difference between the ranks, means R1 minus R2. D represents the difference between these two ranks. Is it okay? Is this clear? How to evaluate it? Is this clear? कैसे इसको evaluate करना है? So draw the table. We have pickle code and it's given here A to H, A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Next is the rank 1, which is given by judge 1, and rank 2. So it's 5, 3, 1, 6, 2, 4, 8, 7. So here 5, 3, 1, 6, 2, 4, 8, 7. And rank 2 is, which is R2, it's 3, 4, 1, 8, 2, 6, 7, 5. Now in order to evaluate, we need the difference between these two ranks, which is denoted by D. D is the difference between R1 and R2. Is this okay? And in the next column, we need D square. Please let me know, is this clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so difference between R1 and R2 here is 5 minus 3, which is 2. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. This is 0. 6 minus 8 is minus 2, 0, or minus 2. This is the rank actually, it will be positive now. So 8 minus 7 is 1, 5 minus 7 minus 5 is 2, and the square of this is 4, 1, 0, 4, 0, 4, 1, 4. Find out the summation of D square. Mm, 16 and we get 18 here. Now rank is equals to 1 minus 6 summation of D square is 18. What is the value of n here? N कितना है? What is n here? n की कितनी वैल्यू है यहाँ पर? What is the value of n here?
Ma'am, 8.
Yes, n is 8. So it's 8 into n square minus 1. This is 64 minus 1. It's 63. So after evaluating it, we'll get 18 cross 8, it's 108 divided by 63 multiplied by 8 is 504. So you will get something between, which lies between +1 to -1. So this is the rank correlation between the data. अगर ये +1 होता हमारे पास, so we say that the series will coincide, that will in that case only, and ranks it will be -1 if both the series are exactly opposite to each other. Otherwise the rank will always lie between +1 to -1. Now, in some cases, there is a possibility if the ranks are not mentioned. So first, we have to define, we have to obtain the ranks by assigning them and then evaluate it. So I'm taking a problem in which the rank is not assigned. So this is another case like rank coefficient of correlation when the ranks are not mentioned. So this is the problem in which there is a heights, respective heights in inches of 10 fathers and their eldest son. So this is the data, father and son. And total, and here is 10. 10 set of data is here. So you have to find out the rank correlation. Now in this problem, rank is not given. So the first thing is we have to obtain the rank by assigning rank 1 to the greatest height and rank to the next lower height, right? Up to rank 10. So सबसे पहले मुझे यहाँ पर rank assign करनी होगी because it's not allotted. So you just have to write down, since heights are mentioned in ranks, so their ranks are obtained by assigning rank 1 to the greatest height and rank 2 to the next lower height, and rank 10 to the least height. So this is the rule which is applicable on both the series. So सबसे पहले हमें फादर की हाइट ले रही हूँ और ग्रेटेस्ट हाइट कितनी है यहाँ पर among the father, which is the greatest height? Which is the greatest value इन सब में से? ये वाला डेटा सेट हम ले रहे हैं तो कौन सी ग्रेटेस्ट है?
72
पे हम रैंक 1 लेंगे. आफ्टर दैट 72 के बाद आता है मेरे पास 71. दिस इज रैंक 2. 70 पर रैंक 3 हो जाएगा. 70 पे 3 हो गया, इसके बाद 69 पे 4 हो गया, एंड 67 पे 5 हो गया है। 67 के बाद नेक्स्ट आ रहा है 66, 66 पे 6 रैंक हो गई है, देन 65, दिस इज रैंक 7, 63 rank 8, and this is 9, 62, and 61 is the least among all, so its rank is 10. Okay, in the same way, assign rank for the sun heights. So which is the highest, greatest among all the height? कौन सा डेटा ग्रेटेस्ट है मेरे पास यहाँ पे?
71.
No, sun वाले केस में 71, yes. So 71 highest है, so it is 1. After that 70, so it's 2, 69, 3, 68, 4, and then 67, 5. 67 के बाद आ रहा है 66, it's a 6, 7, 64 पर आ गया 8, 9 आ गया 63 पे, and 10. So in this way we have assigned ranks to the height. Now draw the table and evaluate as the same procedure जैसे हमने पहले किया था. तो serial number सबसे पहले हो गया हमारे पास, then rank 1, rank 2, and D is equals to D square. You can evaluate directly. So total set, data set is of 9, 10, and is 10 here. 3, 4, 5. 5, 8, 6. 5, 8, 6, 2, 4. 7, 9, 3, 10, 1. Seven, 9, 3, 10, 1. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is R1. Now next is for R2. R2 के लिए जो हमने असाइन किया है 4, 6, 7, 2, 3, 5, 8, 1, 10, 9. 4, 6, 7, 2, 3. This is 4, 6, 7, 2, 3, 5, 8, 1, 10, 9. This is for rank 2 column. Find out the difference, square of the difference between the ranks. So it's 5 minus 4, which is 1. Square of 1 is 1. 8 minus 6, 2. So it's 4. 6 minus 7, 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. 7 minus 5 is 2. So it's 4. 9 minus 8 is 1. 3 minus 1, this is 4. 0. And 1 minus 9 is 8. So the square is 64. Now evaluate the summation of D square. What is the value of summation of D square here? कितनी होगी इसकी वैल्यू? 64, 4, 1, 2, 68, 1. This is 80. Okay. this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the formula is R is equals to 1 minus 6 summation of D square divided by n square minus 1, and it's equals to 1 minus 6 into 80. N is 10 and n square minus 1 is 99. So you will get after evaluating 0.52. So this is the rank correlation between the data. Clear? Let's see one more problem. Question is, in a bivariate distribution, अभी हम distributions study करेंगे, पढ़े नहीं हैं. It's coming in the next unit. So Spearman's correlation of coefficient is Spearman's coefficient correlation is minus 0.25 if the sum of the square of differences of various ranks is is 150. Find out the number of pairs in the items. Find out the number of pairs of items. So it's very simple. This is just a formula based problem. यहाँ पर मुझे क्या दे रखा है? Spearman's coefficient of correlation means R की value given है. It's minus 0.25. And the sum of the square of the differences means this is the value of D square. D square की value दी हुई है 150 और मुझे निकालना है number of pair of the items means n evaluate करना है. So it's very simple. It's given that R is equals to minus 0.25, D square is equals to 150, and we have to evaluate the value of n here. Now we know that Spearman's coefficient of correlation is 1 minus 6 summation of D square. This is summation of D square, sum of the squares, divided by n square minus 1. So just substitute the values in this formula. You will get the solution. This is minus 0.25, 1 minus 6 into 150 divided by n into n square minus 1. So this is 1 plus 0.25, 1.25 is equals to 6 into 150 की होगी वैल्यू हमारे पास 900 divided by n square minus 1, और n square minus 1 is equals to 720. So just evaluate it. इसको evaluate कर लो आप. तो आपकी जो भी वैल्यू आएगी, इफेक्टिवली वी हैव n क्यूब बट n मस्ट बी अ पॉजिटिव इंटीजर, राइट। तो इसको मैं लिख सकती हूँ 720 को 9 स्क्वायर माइनस 1, so you will get the value of n must be 9. It must be a positive integer. Okay, is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's see one more problem. Question here is the coefficient of rank correlation is computed by Spearman's method, and rank obtained by 10 students. This is R जो यहाँ पर दे रखा है. It is obtained by 10 students. N is 10, and it was found to be 0.8. It's given. Now it is discovered that, question is, it is discovered that the differences in the ranks in the two subjects obtained by one of the two students was wrongly recorded as 6 instead of 8. तो ये यहाँ पर इस प्रॉब्लम में क्या दे रखा है, वी हैव गिवन दैट द रैंक कोरिलेशन इज 0.8 which is obtained by Spearman's correlation coefficient, and this is the rank is obtained by 10 students in statistics and accountancy, right? But later on it was discovered that the difference in the rank of two subjects was wrongly recorded as 6 instead of 8. 6 लिखा गया गलती से but था 8 हमारे पास, right? Correct one was 8. So now we have to evaluate the corrected coefficient of correlation. Calculate corrected coefficient of rank correlation. देखो इसको कैसे करेंगे, we know that rank correlation coefficient is evaluating in n squared minus 1. Now it's given that R is 0.8 and N is 10. 1 minus 6 summation of D square divided by 10, and it's 99. So we will get D square is equals to 33. इसको evaluate करने के बाद 33 आएगा, but this is the incorrect value. This is incorrect value. Incorrect value क्यों है? क्योंकि इसको evaluate करते वक्त जो rank record करी थी वो 6 record हो गई है instead of 8. So the first thing is we have to evaluate the corrected value. Corrected value के लिए मैं क्या करूँगी, जो गलत हो गई थी उसको subtract कर दूंगी और जो सही है उसको मैं add कर दूंगी. So the corrected value of D square is summation of d square is equals to 33 तो आई हमारी evaluate होकर. Now corrected is 8 and subtract the square of wrongly recorded value. So this is the corrected value of summation d square and we will get value is 61 here. Now the corrected coefficient of correlation is corrected r is equals to 1 minus 6 into summation of d square. Now this is 61 divided by 10 into 99. So you will get 0.63. This is the corrected value. तो कभी कभी प्रॉब्लम्स में जो वैल्यूज होती हैं वो इस तरीके से भी प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है, रॉन्गली रिकॉर्ड वैल्यू हो गई, तो उसको इवैल्यूएट करने के लिए हम जो हमारी सही वैल्यू थी जस्ट ऐड इट एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट द नेगेटिव वैल्यू हो गया. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm writing down one more problem and you just try to solve it yourself. Okay? And in the next class we will study regression analysis. Okay? और मैंने एक असाइनमेंट शेयर करा है, प्लीज डू कंप्लीट ऑन द टाइम. क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पे फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस. This is two judges given a rank of competitors in a certain art competition. So we have two judges here and competitions. इन्होंने रैंक दी हुई है. टोटल कॉम्पिटिटर्स हमारे पास है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 कॉम्पिटिटर्स आर हियर. और जजेस ने जो इनको रैंक दी है इट्स गिवन हियर. दिस इज 5 1 4 2 7 3 6 8 10 9 8 10 9 11 12 and rank given by judge P is 10 5 1 2 3 4 7 6 8 11 9 12. Means what is given in the problem? This is R1 and this is R2. Simple. So determine the association between the judgment of two judges by Spearman's coefficient of rank correlation. So you just try to solve it yourself. इसका जो आंसर आएगा 0.707. Okay. So do complete this problem. किसी को कोई डाउट इसमें स्पेयरमैन्स कॉरिलेशन में? कोई प्रॉब्लम किसी को? और इट्स क्लियर? इज दिस क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please write your attendance. Shivang Joshi. Shivang, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you asking about the GATE syllabus include these topics. I'm not sure whether the statistics part is involved in the GATE syllabus or not. But yes,
Okay.
it comes in very lots of competitive examinations also. I'm not sure about the GATE syllabus. So you just,
competitive exams like, apart from GATE, there are also some kind of competitive exams,
like
CMAT, or you are talking
lots of,
about GRE.
sorry,
Uh, of which competitive exam you are talking
in the
about, ma'am?
sense, lots of people who appeared for the bank examinations and all. So उनमें
Oh,
ये statistics का parts बहुत ज़्यादा पूछा जाता है और in the PG
oh,
level पे जो MCA वगैरह जो लोग
oh,
करते हैं उसमें ये सब कवर होता है. मैं
okay,
पर्टिकुलर गेट सिलेबस का मेरे को नहीं पता है कि आपके में है कि नहीं है. ठीक है, तो वो मेरे को चेक
okay, ma'am.
करके चेक कर उसके बाद मैं आपको कंफर्म कर दूँगी.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Any other problem? Is this okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.